You can find all kinds of ways to cook green beans online. But today I'm pulling out my family's secret recipe. Just kidding. It's actually a super simple but seriously tasty must-eat from my hometown, Chongqing, China. Okay, let's get started. First, take out the green bean, clean them thoroughly, and then cut off both ends of each bean and slice them into sections. Okay, it's all ready. Let's get started. Firstly, add some oil into the pan. Once it's hot, throw in some peppercorns and dried chilled pepper. Stir fry them until they smell amazing. Then toss in the green beans. And stir fry until the skin starts to turn golden and just a little crispy. Now let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix a bit of water with cornstarch, sugar, salt, chicken bouillon, MSG, and soy sauce. Pour that into the pan. And that's it. I swear I could eat 2 bowls of rice with this. So you can get to try this at home. Thank you so much for your watching. Your like, saves, and shares means that the world to me. See you next time.